In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade demo on TradingView. If you want to practice trading without risking real money, TradingView's built-in paper trading tool is the fastest way to get started. It lets you test ideas, build confidence, and understand how orders behave, all while following live market prices on the charts you already use. The setup takes just a few clicks, and once you're connected, everything you do is simulated so you can learn safely and thoughtfully. Start by moving to the top right corner of your TradingView chart and clicking the Trade button. This opens the trading panel, which is where TradingView lets you connect to different providers. It's designed to be simple and consistent, so you don't have to jump between windows or lose sight of your chart. Think of this panel as your workstation for executing and managing practice trades while keeping your technical analysis right in front of you. From that panel, choose Paper Trading. This is TradingView's simulation environment. Selecting it tells TradingView you want to work with virtual funds, using the same charts, tools, and indicators you already rely on. The key advantage here is that prices update in real time, so your decisions are shaped by the same movement you would see in a live market without any of the financial risk. Next, click Connect. That's the final action you need to link your chart to the simulator. In a moment, you'll see that you're connected and the trading tools will become available for your demo account. Behind the scenes, TradingView is now routing your simulated orders through its paper trading engine, so fills and positions reflect current market conditions as closely as possible, while remaining completely virtual. And that's it. You're now ready to start trading in a demo environment with live prices. Use this space to practice your process, analyze the chart, decide on entries and exits, and pay attention to how price moves around key levels. Treat your decisions seriously so you build habits you can carry into real trading later. Because your capital isn't at risk, you can focus on learning, tracking outcomes, and refining your approach without pressure. To wrap up, the pathway is simple. Open the trading panel, select Paper Trading, click Connect, and you're good to go. Take your time, stay consistent, and use this risk-free setup to get comfortable with the flow of the market. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your practice on TradingView.